Welcome to Cooking with Chef Bombay. So I wanted to run through something I made really quick. Took me probably 20 minutes. You can make it faster if you prepare everything. Here's the finished creation. It doesn't look too good, but to me it looks pretty good because my cameras on my computer is pretty crappy. So what it is, it's basically a hot dog bun. It has mayonnaise in it, mustard, and a hamburger, an egg. So what I did first is I prepared everything. I used the grill. You can pan fry it, put it in the oven. Doesn't matter. So what I did, and I used Cajun. I love Cajun, so I put a lot of that stuff on it. So I took the buns and I put it in a toaster. They're hot dog buns, but they're pretty small. That's why it doesn't look too good. I put hot dog buns in the toaster. I steamed eggs, so that's pretty much putting water in a pan, non-stick pan, and then putting eggs. I put eggs in. Then I put that on medium, let it go. And with the grill, all I did was turn it on high, put the patty on, put it on, let it cook, take it off. I just grilled it up in the pan for a minute or two. And then the egg was in there with the sauce. And then the burger was taken out, put onto it. And then you get one of these. So it's not bad. Has mayonnaise and mustard on it, as I said. The egg was just steamed for around a minute or two. The yolks are hard, but if you watch it, like I was outside while I was cooking. So yeah, if you were to watch it, you can do it for a shorter time and get them runny and goes everywhere. You can do that with tomato soup, which tomato soup will be another video, which is gonna be a great video because it's tomato soup, Campbell's tomato soup, and you can really enhance that a lot. So that will be in the next video. See you guys. Nice and toasty, baby.